In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your contacts to your smartwatch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general instructions on how to synchronize your contacts between a smartphone and your smartwatch. First, I want to make it very clear, for most big established manufacturers like Apple or Samsung, all that you have to do is sign into the same account on both the smartwatch and your smartphone. So for example, if you have an iPhone and an Apple Watch, it's as simple as signing into your Apple account on both devices. iCloud will automatically synchronize your contacts, photos, data, and so on. And the same will work for other brands like Samsung. You sign into the same Samsung account, and usually this process will be done automatically. However, if you have a different brand, a generic one, and they have a companion app, usually this will be done by using their respective application. So in this video, this is what I'm going to be covering primarily. Sadly, I cannot cover every single brand out there, so I apologize. For this video, I chose this one as an example, but usually you will be able to follow along with any other brand of smartwatch that you have. This one is a Reflex watch, and when you download their application, you will have the Devices tab at the bottom where you can connect your smartwatch to your smartphone, and after it is connected, you will see all of the information, and most importantly, you will find the option to manage your contacts. So just download the companion application for your respective watch, and once you have the application that you need to make your watch detected by your smartphone, just look for the Contacts option, usually on the Devices tab. Inside of Contacts, you will now be able to assign them here. So you can sort them alphabetically, you can choose the plus sign to add new contacts, and they will be imported from your smartphone. After this, save and all of the contacts will be directed over to your smartwatch. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect contacts to smartwatch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.